You need to hear this if you love space and mind-bending questions. Ever wondered if time can just switch off? Imagine a place where clocks freeze. Past Pluto in the Kuiper belt, time might not exist at all. Would the universe even notice? I'm about to take you on a journey that'll challenge everything you think you know about reality itself. Here on Earth, time feels absolute. Seconds tick by, minutes pass, hours flow like a river we can't stop. But what if I told you that time isn't what you think it is? Einstein showed us that time and space are woven together into something called space-time. Time can stretch, compress, even stop under the right conditions. Near massive objects like black holes, time slows down dramatically. What feels like minutes to you could be years to someone watching from far away. But here's where it gets really wild. What happens at the very edges of our solar system? In a place so remote, so disconnected from everything we know, could time itself just disappear? Let's take a journey. We're leaving the familiar planets behind, passing Pluto, once our 9th planet, now a dwarf planet marking the beginning of something far stranger. Welcome to the Kuiper belt, a vast ring of icy objects, leftover building blocks from when our solar system formed 4.6 billion years ago. Out here, the sun is just another star. Earth's gravity is a distant memory. The space between objects is so vast, you could fit entire planets in the gaps. Temperatures hover around minus 230 degrees Celsius. It's darker than anything you can imagine, and it's here that some scientists think something impossible might happen. What if the fundamental forces that create time, gravity, electromagnetic fields, the quantum foam of space itself, become so weak out here that time simply stops existing? Think about it. Time dilation happens because of gravity. The stronger the gravitational field, the more time is affected. But what happens when gravity becomes negligible? In the Kuiper belt, you're so far from any significant gravitational source that space-time itself might become undefined. From a quantum perspective, time emerges from the interactions of particles and fields. But in the near vacuum of the outer solar system, where particle interactions are incredibly rare, the mechanisms that generate time might simply shut down. Imagine an object drifting through this timeless zone. From our perspective, it would appear frozen, not moving through space, but frozen in time itself. But here's the mind-bending part. If you were somehow riding that object, you wouldn't notice anything different. Time would feel normal to you. The challenge is, how do you measure time in a place where time doesn't exist? It's like trying to use a ruler in a dimension without length. This pushes the boundaries of theoretical physics into territory we've never explored before. If this theory is correct, it means our universe has zones where the fundamental nature of reality changes. Places where the rules we take for granted simply don't apply. It could revolutionize how we think about space exploration, interstellar travel, and the very nature of existence itself. Right now, spacecraft like New Horizons are venturing into these distant regions, potentially gathering the first evidence of this phenomenon. What they discover could change everything we think we know about time, space, and reality. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, somewhere out there, beyond the reach of our sun's influence, there might be places where time itself has stopped. And in those timeless voids, the universe keeps its deepest secrets, waiting for us to discover them. What do you think? Could time really disappear at the edges of our solar system? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this mind-bending journey, subscribe for more incredible space theories that'll change how you see the universe.